Hello everyone, my name is Claude and I'm going to show you how to decorate your Discord profile for free without needing to download any sus third-party apps. You start off by clicking the Discover tab that's on the left side and go to the Quest section. This is where you're going to find Discord's free currency called Discord Orbs and opportunities to obtain them. There's also other quests you can do by playing games to get limited time avatar decorations or in-game items. Obtaining Discord orbs is actually really easy. You just have to watch some videos and let the orbs pile up. Do note that you only get orbs from watching the videos the first time. Clicking watch again will not get you additional orbs. I would recommend to check back often to see if more quests are available. You will be able to see your available orb balance in the top right. Click on that to go to the shop. Here you can find some items that are orbs exclusive. You can also browse all the avatar decorations, profile effects, nameplates, and bundles that you can get for free with orbs. On a side note, the items that are usually not free with orbs are profile decorations that are a part of a collaboration. Those items will need to be purchased. Discord is constantly adding more items to the shop, so if you don't see anything that you're interested in yet, check back often for new items. If you want additional savings, look at the bundles that are available, because they sell items at a reduced price and orb cost. Purchasing with orbs is also extremely easy. Once you find an item that you're interested in, click on the Claim for Orbs button. I will be using my orbs to purchase this touch grass nameplate. After I click Claim with Orbs, it says, "You did it. Put it on. Touch grass has been added to your collection." Just click Use Now and it'll be on your profile for everyone to see. If you found this information helpful, hit the like button and share this video with your friends that don't have a decorated Discord profile.